Oh my gosh, guys. What is up, everybody? This is Ramcade. I'm sorry, I can't show that part because it shows what this is. This video, I'm just saying, was not planned at all. All the other videos that I just made in this day were planned. This one was not. So, guess what? I went to a party. After the party, and there was a raffle, right? I put some of my tickets in, and guess what I won? I won the raffle. An RC helicopter, limited edition. Woo! This thing looks good. Oops, I'm folding my playmat. So, I decided to unbox it on the channel for you guys. So you can see what you get. You get this awesome helicopter, and there's the remote. I hope this helicopter is charged so I can do a small flight test for you guys. So let's crack this open. I'm by myself. Sorry, I'm by myself right now. So let me just crack this open really quick. Alright guys, I just slid it open. So we're gonna take a look at the packaging right now. Hold on guys. Let me just... Okay guys, let's fold these out. Get these out. Oh man. Hold on guys, really quick. And let's see how I get these out. Wait. I wish I had a place to set the camera. Yeah, do this. Maybe I can. I'm gonna put you guys right here. And I'm gonna grab this. Sorry guys, we can't see him. So guys, as you can see, there is the insiding of the package. Oh shoot. Well then, that's not very good of an idea. Hold on, let me get it open. Alright, we've pulled it open. By the way, I'm not changing any of this. I'm just getting... Oops. I just got this all open. Comes with your instructions. I don't think I'm going to need this because I'm an engineer. I can already figure it out. So got to be very careful. That is the helicopter part of it. Let's see. Let's carefully take the blades out first. Actually, I might want to take the body out first. I'm not sure. Actually, I don't know what Man, hold on, guys. I'm actually just gonna get both of these things out, and then I'll show you a real review. Anyways, but then this is what's in it. I think there's something under here, but we'll check that out later. Anyways, let's get these out. All right, guys. I have made a discovery. It's kind of a unique discovery, and my discovery is this. First of all, this box took like 5 hours to open. And second of all, they really didn't want anybody to get into this thing when they were first advertising. When it was on the shelves, you know. Well, I had to unbox all of that to get out of these two little things. So, I'm not exactly sure if the thing's charged, but you see there's an on switch right here. Hold on, let me switch it on really quick. I got it on. Oh, there's the little lights in there. Alright. Okay, guys. I'm gonna click the on button on this. Oh. No wonder. First of all, there's no batteries in this thing. Guys. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna fly it out like 2 feet up, and then it'll probably be our fly test anyways. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab some batteries. Okay guys, I got all the needed batteries into the remote control. If you're wondering, this takes 6 batteries. So if you are unboxing this along with us, then you'll need to grab 6 batteries. Alright, so we're gonna test this out. really quick. Don't tell me. Okay, so there, turn you on. Oh wait, is it on? It's not lights. Wait, is it on? Yeah, it's on. Well, let's take a look at it. Okay, guys, you just gotta hope. Oh no, guys, it isn't charged. Uh-oh. Thought it was working a second ago. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work. All right, guys. I'm sorry, guys, but actually, this thing is not able to work right now. I will be able. I'm gonna have to charge it up, and then we're gonna have to test flight it another video. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 parts of this video. As you already know, actually, you're already gonna know that this is part 1 because it says it in the title. But I'm making 2 parts of this video. Make sure to view the next part, where we will be test flying this, probably outside. I was gonna test it right here, but yeah. Oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, and bye-bye. Bye. Hope you liked it.